Most people spend hours, sometimes days building their Shopify store. But what if AI could do it for you in under 10 minutes? I'm about to show you how I created an entire dropshipping store using AI, and it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I've built hundreds of Shopify stores over the years, and normally it's a long process, importing products, designing themes, writing descriptions, testing layouts. But I recently found a new AI tool called Atlas that can build an entire Shopify store automatically, and I wanted to see if it's as good as it sounds. So in this video, I'll walk you through every step of the process and show you the final result. When you're ready, let's get right into it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install Atlas on one of my Shopify stores. I'll leave a link down below for you guys so you can follow along with this video. You can actually get started with a free 5-day trial so you can test out everything. But we'll go ahead and click install. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Atlas on our Shopify store now. We're gonna select build your store right here. You're gonna select your language. Atlas actually has a ton of different languages to choose from in case you wanna create stores in other languages to test different markets. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and select English. Then you're gonna select your product source. You can select a product on your Shopify store, or you can post a link from Amazon, AliExpress, or Alibaba. So I'm gonna go ahead and select Shopify, and let's pick one of our products right here. We'll use this LED light skin mask. So as soon as you plug your product into Atlas, it's gonna perform all of the work behind the scenes. It's gonna import all of your product data, conduct market research for you, write all of your sales copy, craft a premium theme, and then finalize your store layout. So the next step, you're gonna select all of the images you want displayed on your store. So we can see all of our product images right here taken off of Shopify. You can select as many as you want. You need to upload at least 4 to get started, but you can also upload additional images right here from the internet or from your competitors. Any other images you wanna use on your website, upload them right here. Then we're gonna continue. So right here, you can select from a bunch of different color presets. We can see how our brand looks with all of these different color options. Overall, for the skincare brand, I like this one right here. This looks pretty good, but you can customize everything to your liking right here. Now, this is completely optional, but you can add your own personal touches to your store. So you can go through all of these different tabs right here. We can take a look at our homepage. We can make any adjustments we want to our banner, any of our headlines, or any of these sections that we see right here. Same thing for our product page. We can make any changes that we want to. Same for visuals, our FAQs, interactive sections. You can make any website changes that you want to right here before we move on to the next step. But honestly, taking a look at this, everything looks really good so far. So I'm just gonna click continue. So Atlas isn't just an AI store builder. Think of it as more like your AI co-pilot for dropshipping. It's giving you a license to a premium theme that you can use every single month, as well as additional features like upsells and bundles and everything else. So next, you're gonna select your plan right here. We're gonna select the starter plan. We can get a 5-day free trial. It's gonna go ahead and import our new store to our Shopify account. We'll wait for this to complete. And your new store is ready to go. Just click publish your store down here. It's gonna take you to your online store, and you can see your theme right here. You're just gonna click publish. And just like that, your new store is live and ready to go. This process would normally take me 3 to 4 hours, and Atlas just did it automatically in minutes. And honestly, the copy and layout are much better than half the stores that I've seen people pay for. So let's take a look at what we just came up with. Rejuvenate your skin effortlessly at home. We have the As Seen On badge. We can make changes to this. But look at this homepage. It has all the features, benefits. You have trust badges, social proof, testimonials. Like, look how good this website looks right here. You have comparisons, your 30-day money-back guarantee, your FAQ section. Let's go ahead and take a look at our actual product page now. So right here, we have the LED light skin mask. You can see all this high quality content that we imported using Atlas. So obviously we have to go through and clean this up a little bit and make our own changes on here. Because right here it says insert number 5 stars. So we have to change some of these badges. But look at this right here. We have our description. We have our FAQs, shipping policy, a section to put some testimonials, this moving banner down here, and some more features and benefits of this actual product. Look how good this product page looks. Like, normally you would have to install a ton of different apps just to get a product page to look like this. So here's the final store Atlas build. Clean design, optimized copy, branded colors. Even the product page layout looks professional. And this all took less than 10 minutes to create. If I built this manually, I'd be dragging sections around for hours. This is perfect for anyone trying to start fast or test new products. Because I just took a winning product from my Shopify store and built a professional branded one product store around it in under 10 minutes. minutes. If you want to try Atlas yourself, I'll leave a link down below. It's free to get started and build your own AI-powered store. I'll probably do a follow-up video where I test one of these stores with real ads. So let me know which product you'd like to see me try next. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.